Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today, or in this episode, I'm going to just clean this piece up. Now it sounds like something real easy, but we'll go through it, make sure it is easy. Alright, supervisor, let's get to work. Alright, overall, pretty good shape. No real issues here. And it does come off. Perfect. So, we got our cap. It's even got the little insert still in it. That's nice. Yeah. Gross inside. So we'll be cleaning that out with some degreaser and soap and water, trying to get the best we can. So we're just going to clean this up. We'll work with these caps. Overall, we'll just brillo it, see what comes up of it, and for these rusty tops, maybe we'll hit it with a wire brush. Overall, it should be a quick hour project. I'm not looking for perfection, just want to make sure it's clean and ready for inside my house or somebody else's house. So let's get started. Alright. Man, that was probably as much fun as watching paint dry. But we went over it just nice and easy. I kept some of the character. I like how it looks. I don't know if I'm going to put the cap back on it because it doesn't really match that well. But I do like this one, so we'll keep that. Wipe everything down, and then we can seal it, and then go from there. So, here we go. You ready? Alright, here it is completed. Little Brillo pad, little wire brush, gave it a nice clean. Took about an hour. It's a fun little project to do. I don't know how much it showed up in the video from start to finish, but man, it was dirty. Had a little gunk on it. Got it all cleaned up, knocked off a bunch of the rust off the top there, and well, I think it looks pretty cool. My supervisor doesn't really care for it, but I like it. She's ready for another dresser to be done, so maybe we'll do that tomorrow. We'll start on a paint project then. But until then, I'm going to take this inside and enjoy it for a little bit and see what the wife thinks of it. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook. We're always trying something new, trying to figure out how to do things. Maybe you could try it at your own house. So, until next time.